What's up, everybody? We're at Agnew Lake in the June Lake Loop in California. We're gonna throw some lines in the water, see if we can get any fish. Thank you for watching.
Here we are, guys. Agnew, first cast. Let's see how it goes. Let's let it just sink down to the depths. A little bit of eggs, a little salmon egg action. I don't know how deep it is right here. It looks like there's a decent drop off though. At least 20 feet. 10 feet maybe, 20 feet down. We'll poke around right here. See if there's anything. It's a cool little spot, but the water is so low. That stinks. Drought for sure. People try to tell you there's no drought. There's definitely a drought. Look it, look it. Here we go. Hook up. Oh, come on, tighten that drag up. Tighten that drag up, Dave. Tighten that drag. Get the camera, babe. Here we go. That was like second cast. Not bad. Take it. Little fight. I'll come down to this little rock edge over here. I don't want to fall in, but I want to get the fight. Nice. That didn't take long. That's what we came for. That's what I'm talking about, baby. Yeah, give him a little flip. I'll just get him up here. Nice. That's the first one for the stringer. Second cast in. Okay. I don't know. He might have to go back in. He's a little small. But cool. Good catch.
Yay.
Let's get him back in. Yeah, you dropped it. Here. Here, buddy.
Oh, he dropped it. He gave you a handshake and left.
Yes. Got it.
The 2-pot eat is hilarious.
Yeah. Oh, dang, he's finding extra shells.
Yeah, how many did you throw down there?
I don't know. Look at this. We're just going to use a couple of these bad boys on a little hook right there. Small little mosquito hook with about a foot of leader and then a couple of split shot weights, and then we're going to throw that out. See if we get anything, guys. Alright. Right across the way. Let it sink. The other one, it took a little bit to hit. I think I was reeling it in about halfway through the reel. Just kind of dragging it on the bottom, I guess. And there it goes. It just hit. Let's see if we get another one. See if we can get another bite. I'll take anything. I'll take a smaller fish than that. Anything's cool. Something to catch, something to do. Let's see. It's a beautiful day, guys. Beautiful summer day at Agnew Lake right here. You gotta hike up here. It's kind of takes a while to get here too. A couple hour hike, but it's worth it. And you got to be in shape too. It's not for the faint at heart. But if you're willing to put the work in, hey, I got that fish second cast. I mean, that was at least worth it right there. I got a couple other little baits right here. Shout out to Thai Pig Patrol. I got those Mr. Twisters. Those things actually work, man. Those are amazing. I got those. I'm going to try those next. If this doesn't work again within the next couple of casts. Bite. Here we go. Here we go. Let's get them in. Right there. Didn't take long for number 2. Feels about the same size. They're probably all about the same. But they give a good little fight. Look at that. Yeah. That's cool. Ooh, now he's fighting. Now he's fighting. Ooh, it's a brown. It's a brown trout. Even cooler. Different species. Oh, I think we might... This one's bigger too. Look at that. Give him a little flip. Nice. Nice. Oh, brook or brown? I think maybe brook. Brook trout. Look at those colors on him. A little bit different of a mouth too. He's got like a bass mouth. Look at him. Very sweet. Different species. Pretty sweet. Pan size. Are we getting to keeper size yet? The other one's another trout. No? Still not? Okay. You're right. Let's get hook remover on them. They got big mouths. Look at these bass mouths they have.
Mm-hmm.
Pull that real quick. Okay. Little hook remover. Sorry, dude. Better you than me. Oh, no. Oh, no. It's not looking good. There we go.
Hey.
Got it. We got squirrels over here. Look at the squirrel trying to get in the bag. Mrs.E.Claws already fed him, so she kind of made too much of a friend. now he's really friendly. Okay, let's go one more. Let's go another release. Let's try another one of these underwater releases, guys.
All right, we did really good today. Honestly, it was worth that 2.5 hour hike, whatever it was, to get here. It was a little grueling, sort of difficult, but well worth it. Got that brook trout and got a rainbow trout. They weren't the biggest, but awesome fight. Did really well at this lake. This is only one of many lakes on this hike. We're gonna keep hiking up and hit another lake. So make sure you stay tuned to that video. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like and a comment. If you haven't done it already, subscribe to the channel. Have a wonderful day and be well. Peace.